Welcome to Bharata First. I'm Frank Rausen Pereira. This is FRP Explains. Firstly, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Hanuman Jayanti. Something very interesting took place over the weekend. There was a tweet that was put out by a Saudi national named Noof Marwai. She spoke about Vision 2030 of Saudi Arabia and in particular about social studies syllabus and what her son is studying in school. Noof is also the first certified yoga instructor of Saudi Arabia. She is also a Padma Shri and she ensured that she legalized yoga in Saudi Arabia. So those are her credentials. So the post she put out spoke about how Saudi Arabia, as part of its Vision 2030, is incorporating the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and about Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism in its syllabus to talk about the people of India and to allow and to ensure that their own citizens learn a lot more about India. It is unfortunate that we here in India don't believe so, and we need somebody else to tell us who we are, where we come from, and what we do. Interestingly, the Saudis call it history, we here call it mythology. Let's not forget that India is a land of great thinking and great people. Our Rishi Vidya has been destroyed, but nonetheless, the thought process continues. This is something that we need to tap into. There is nothing religious about it. Why don't we take the best of everything that is available to us and incorporate it in our day-to-day life to ensure that we are better human beings and we can put out a better product of ourselves? Unfortunately, that isn't happening. In the recent past, when universities like JNU, Anna University came out with a syllabus or came out with courses on the Ramayana and Mahabharata, there was a lot of controversy surrounding it. The BHU tried to start something called Garbha Sanskara. That too came under a lot of criticism. What we need to do is we need to understand where we come from, who we are, and what these scriptures really teach us and tell us. The sooner we do that, the better it is for Bharatiyas as a whole. The Mahabharata teaches us about perceptional, emotional, and thinking skills. The Ramayana teaches us about ethics, about what is right and wrong, and this is something that we do in our day-to-day life. It teaches us about how we should have a better conscience. Rather than others teaching us about where we come from, who our ancestors are, and what a great land we are part of, I think we should do it ourselves. Of course, in the recent past, efforts have been made, especially through the National Education Policy 2020, to incorporate and to bring in some of these elements. But in the words of the Education Minister himself, this is going to take up to 2040 to fully fructify. But like any other policy in our country, and if history is anything to go by, implementation is going to be very key. We need to see how this particular policy is implemented and in what spirit. So that is something that we need to watch out for as well. But in the meantime, I think we as a community as a whole can just understand these things a little better and take in the good aspects of it so that we can come up with a better and an improved version of ourselves. Well, that's it from me for today. But if you like this content, if you like what we put out at Bharata First, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and do spread the word about Bharata First. We have a UPI ID as well, so that those of you who want to come forward and contribute to keep this content alive may do so. A small step that you take is a giant leap for Bharata First. Thank you once again for being here. Continue to spread the word and the love. I'll see you again next time. Till then, keep watching Bharata First.